Vision: a globally recognized state university. Mission: Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instruction, impactful research, and sustainable extension with strategic partnerships and modern infrastructure shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society and the world. Strategic goals: Negros Oriental State University will A. Achieve global recognition by program excellence. S. Strengthen research through impactful innovation. P. Promote enhanced community extension services. I. Integrate partnerships and international relations. R. Revitalize infrastructure with operational system. E. Enrich student life and leadership opportunities. Core values: Shine. S for spirituality, H for honesty, I for innovation, N for nurturance, and E for excellence. Quality policy: Negros Oriental State University commits to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives.